Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out the DJI Osmo Nano. This thing looks pretty killer. Has a little suction cup, USB-C, USB-C. We have this so you can put it on different ways, like over your neck and stuff if you want to record like that. We have the instructions, little protective case, and then we have a clip so we can go on our shirt, go on our belt, anything like that, nice and strong, and this clips right on there. So I have some pretty sick stickers there, but my goodness, that was a lot smaller than I expected. And here's our little viewing screen as well. To clip it on there, it just goes on there basically, and that locks into place until you push those buttons. This is dual facing. Lock it in that way. You can see what it's filming. That's not going to go anywhere. That is locked into place. Really nice. I mean, the screen is super responsive, guys. Look at just zooming back and forth. I mean, guys, this is a pen. And wow, that magnet is really strong. And like, this is so small and it's just so, wow, it's very strong. Look how easy this is to work with though, just to change things out. So this doesn't need to be attached. So that, oh man, my goodness, this is my new recorder. So I have a lot of issues when I'm recording. I can't see. So you'll see sometimes my thing is upside down, but with this, look at that. It's just gonna show me. So I can just put my little screen right there. Actually, I can just put this. Oh my goodness, this is gonna makes my recording so much easier. It's not even funny, and it's 4K. So I can just set this up on my desk. I can see exactly what's filming, and then I can just record. I think I can do it remotely from my app too, just start recording with that. So this is gonna be super beneficial. It tells how much time I have, 3 hours and 11 minutes of recording, which is a ton of time. Backup battery and the other battery. I think I can just charge these both at the same time here. I didn't see a USB-C port, but there's gotta be one somewhere, right? Oh, maybe in here? Okay, yeah, there's a USB-C right there. And we'll just charge this up. That's cool. I really like that. It looks like, I mean, the remote part, that's insane. I wonder if I can zoom in. It's got slow motion. Adjustment, we got the Pro, noise reduction, texture, exposure, normal color. Okay, I'm gonna charge this to full. I'm gonna go mess with it. We'll get some good footage and stuff. All right, let's check out the app here. It's pretty sweet. We have the ability to go to their home. Click on that. We have our albums. We have the videos I just took. Here's a slow motion one. I'm just gonna download these to my phone real quick. See how quick that is. It's connected right here. And very, very fast download here. HDR enhancement. Oh, okay, downloaded 4K. I see that. So we can do whatever we want. So I'll do that. Resolution, watermark, no watermark. I don't need that. I guess I can put it in the corner here. If you want to. Kind of cool. I'll put it in there. All right, let's export 4K and export. So it takes a little bit longer with the 4K, obviously, but not too much longer. That's actually really fast. So I'm just sitting here next to my little camera, and here we have it. So I should download those in 4K, I guess. Get the optimal quality. Cool. And then you can save those directly to wherever. So we have it on our device, and how we want it. So I have my scooter ride on there, photos. I got your pull up an editor. You can do like pretty much all your editing right on here. Your 360, have your travel, vlog, different setups and stuff like that. You have your profile, your settings. You can turn it on or off. You can have the volume, playing the sound if you want to locate it, or how loud the sound you want it to be on there. Yeah, a bunch of nice things on here. A wireless mic is not connected, so you could do a wireless mic if you want to. DJI mics, like the minis, you can plug in there. So the app is cool. You can do the editor, you can go to your albums, you can go to your device that's on your device, you can go to your local ones, which ones you have on your phone, download those that you want. All right, so here we have the necklace, which you can either put on here, but I find that if you put it on like this and you move around, it's going to move around quite a bit. It's still going to be pretty stable. But if you put it behind your shirt, and we just set it right on there, and then we can hit the record button. Starts recording right away. So just walking along normally, this is no problem. We can walk around, and it's going to show a nice everything nice and stable. This is at 4K. It's got the active thing on there. If we jump around a little bit, it's going to move a little bit, so we can put on our headband or do other things like that. Recording is simple as just hitting the button, so that's super easy. If I want to see what it's recording, I could turn on my camera or my little visual thing, and I can literally just see right on here, like, hey, what's it recording? And it's on my camera. So with on this little thing, I'm not sure what the range is on this, so maybe I should check it out to see like how far away I can be and it's still recording. But I really like that's detachable and wireless, and you can just see it right away. So that's super cool. Once again, I can just pull this up to see my view on the camera here. Okay, so if I want to try some slow-mo action. First of all, like, so it's seeing me here, and I can just kind of run by, run up to the camera. All right, I can see all that, so that's really cool. Didn't hit record though, did I? Okay, so I'm still holding this over here. I can see my view, even though I'm like running over here. I'm gonna try some slow-mo stuff on there, so that's cool. I went all the way over there, and I can still see on this, so I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna change up what we got here. Let's see, I'm gonna go to, I wanna do, before it starts raining here on me, it's starting to rain already. Fortunately, this is waterproof. I wanna go to slow motion. There's a time lapse. I'm gonna go try slow motion here and do some jumping or something maybe and see how that works. Okay, so it's recording, and then I can jump. See how that does for me. Hit it to stop recording. You can use a headband real quick too, so we tried that. So this is nice if you're running or something like that. I like how super easy this is to work with. Pull it off. This is just so intuitive. Snap it on there. Let's see, I want my headband. So this is kind of just depending on how you want it to be. And then you can put it on there. So this is great for like hiking and stuff like that. Just calibrating my camera real quick. I got to switch back over to regular. Okay, cancel. Instead of telling me to calibrate, I don't need to do that. I'm going to switch back to regular video mode here. And then we'll start recording. So this is about right. It's pointed down a little bit so we can see where we're walking and everything like that, and everything in front of us. So recording, and then we can just, you can say if I'm jogging or something like that. So this, I'm jogging. See how smooth that is. All right, well, final thoughts on this DJI Osmo Nano. I'm super impressed with it. I've got a little screen here. I just did a test. I left it here, and then I just went all the way across the other side of my house, and this is still playing just fine. I can see the video on there, so this is super handy. So whether you're making video, I've been making videos for 10 years now, and something like this is just, it checks all the boxes. I can see my screen, so I know what's recording. I don't have to guess. Like, I hope this is pointing in the right direction. I had a GoPro before, and I put it, you put it on or wherever, and you can't really tell because the screen's up there. You're just hoping it's kind of pointing where you want it to and filming what you want it to film. I like that this has a sound notification and a light notification when it's recording. Very simple. Press the button, and it's recording. Very nice. All the attachments that come with it, the headband, the suction cup, the tripod standing attachments, all those, and the little attachments that go on the bottom. Very user friendly. Man, they really thought of everything for this. I highly recommend this camera. It does an excellent job. Sound quality is really good as well. I was going 50 miles an hour on my scooter, and the quality was really good. Jumping around, it wasn't vibrating or anything. 4K, 60 frames per second, stabilization. I was just really impressed with it. This camera, I wish I would have had it a long time ago. I'm going to be obviously using this for a lot of my filming from now on. If you guys are looking for a sweet camera that's going to really help you out on your maybe your outdoor visuals or indoor, wherever you're working, it's just very user-friendly, very easy to work with. Excellent. I accidentally dropped it before. It seemed to be really durable. I have concrete floors, and I was trying to mess with it. I dropped it on the floor, no problem. So I'm thoroughly impressed with it. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for watching this review. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.